Hey there guys, back again, white noise again, and this is going to be part 2, so let's go see how good we can do this time.
Hey guys, it's Tiger Pimp here. I don't like this game.
Hi guys, saying, what's my name?
Frowning Lion.
Yeah, my name's Lion of Faith, and
Oh, what was that noise?
there was
I was like a cough.
there's anything you want, and
Shut up, Sam.
Tiger Pimp.
Right. Oh my god. Stones.
Oh no! No! There's a pathway!
Shut up, we could see do this game.
No, I didn't. I didn't get caught on camera, so it didn't happen. Plus, I got more things than you did. You got one, I got, like, none. I'm scared of camera recorders, you know that. I got camera recorder phobia. Spooky graveyard. Woo! Shit, that's scary. Backfire, ladies and gentlemen. Where's my face?
Where's the road?
I have a metal brick.
A metal gold brick.
Second people.
Whoa! Just stop moving! Oh god! Oh god, it's coming forward! Can any see that? Look, Andrew.
No.
Oh god, ladies and gentlemen, there is a ghost. Ladies and gentlemen, let's follow this ghost.
Tell me to
Andrew, I don't think you can see it.
Come on,
Andrew, look, there's two of them.
I'm not open.
Look,
I'm not open.
it's just, they didn't hurt you.
No.
Look.
No.
Look, they didn't hurt you.
I don't want to
Wait.
see them.
Look, Andrew.
No. No. Steve, come on. Please come with me.
Oh my god, Jesus.
So spooky! I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen.
Look, the ghost.
Walk up to it. Oh, that's what's cool. Stop coughing! That's just too spooky! Did you get one yet?
No, still looking.
Oh no, ground! I have groundophobia.
Oh my god.
I just pretend everything's a carpet.
I can't believe you put it there. Oh my god, I missed.
Say
Ladies and gentlemen, we have found lions.
Lion?
Hey,
Hey, shoot!
Oh, can't get in.
I have a gold brick and I'm not going to use it.
Yeah, but you're fair play this game.
True.
Yeah.
I have a fart in a jar and I'm not afraid to use it. I ain't no half farts in it yet.
I thought that was actually a... Oh. Dot.
No.
Dot.
Smell it.
Guys! My light gone off.
Wow, you're a dumbass. You're a sure real dumbass.
I'm just ashamed in your records on your like church. Me and you just playing different game.
Nah, dumb waste of time.
Getting happy and like temple.
Guys, it's flickering in, so it's gotta go out.
You just pressed X.
Who's cooking? Do you want to go in my room to play a different game?
No, let's
No,
take
yeah,
the
no,
video.
yeah, I want to. I see one jump scare. I don't want to, but I have to because. Oh, a rock!
Alright guys, we found graveyard.
We found Jesus Yard. When you're playing this game, careful for ghosts. No, don't be careful for ghosts. They don't want to hit you. It's just a random forest. It's just a random ghost sound that I don't like, and I'm probably going to PC.
Ghost.
Ghost, why you do this?
No, no, ghost.
Looks like Slender Man. You don't know who Slenderman is. Stupid lion.
He's coming. He's very visible.
He's going into the Lion King. Slenderman's not happy.
Andrew, just watch it.
No.
There is very blackness and white noise. Congratulations, everyone. You got ripped off on the game. More black noise. Tree! Another tree! Well,
Whoa.
that's a shit ton of trees.
What's that?
Keep it. Don't do that. Don't press that button on me.
I'm joking.
No! That tree has blood on it.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Does.
I got joked.
Actually, it does. Oh my god, all the trees have blood in them.
Nah, it's probably just the ghost's maple syrup. They probably just really like maple syrup. Guys, leave a like if you like, you know, like maple syrup.
Guys,
Or if you shit
Guys,
in
look.
bricks. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, it's an out hair. Ah!
it's sporty game, man.
You're jumping as well.
I'm the little.
No.
Guys,
Oh,
we have him.
he's there.
Oh, he's here. Oh my
You
god,
haven't
he's
even
here.
collected the head
He's
yet!
here.
Wow. Wow, scumbag. Scumbag
Where's
Beckham.
Screw this, I'm running.
I'm running towards him!
I'm running.
This is Sparta!
Screw it,
Here,
run.
take the golden shatter brick.
Run.
I have the golden shatter brick.
Shut up, I'm running.
I will be safe because I have the golden shatter brick.
Oh, he's here. Whoa, okay. Whoa!
No! 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 No!
Guys, there you have it.
No!
Go away. There you have it. Play that again. We jumped again. So, thanks for watching. Bye.
Wait,